Next, coming to the heparin administration and monitoring, which is very important. So the full dose of heparin is usually administered by continuous intravenous infusion. So it will be infused through intravenous route in the treatment of venous thromboembolism. Basically, in the treatment of venous thromboembolism, heparin is initiated with a fixed dose of bolus injection of 5,000 units, or it can be adjusted based on the weight. Bolus dose can be adjusted based on the weight, followed by 800 to 1600 units per hour delivered through infusion pump. So basically, what you are going to monitor when you are administering heparin, you are going to monitor the activated partial thromboplastin time to adjust the dose. So the therapeutic range of heparin will be equivalent to the plasma heparin level of zero point 0.3 to zero point 0.7 units per ml, which is been determined with an anti-factor 10A assay. So an APTT, that is 2 or 3 times the normal mean of APTT value, is generally assumed to be therapeutic in nature, and APTT should be measured initially, and in the infusion rate has to be adjusted every 6 hours to prevent the risk of adverse effects like bleeding. So once a steady dosage schedule is established, the daily APTT monitoring is sufficient. So at very high doses of heparin, which will be required to prevent the clotting in patients who are undergoing percutaneous coronary intervention or cardiac surgery with cardiopulmonary bypass. In such cases, APTT will be infinitely prolonged. With the administration of high dose of heparin, the APPT levels will be prolonged, so less sensitive coagulation tests like ACT will be used to monitor the therapy. ACT stands for activated coagulation time. So for therapeutic purpose, the heparin also can be administered subcutaneously on twice daily basis. A total dose of about 35,000 units can be administered as divided dose every 8 to 12 hours, which is sufficient to achieve an activated partial thromboplastin time of twice the control values. And the low dose heparin therapy is used to prevent the venous thromboembolism in hospitalized medical or surgical patient. The subcutaneous dose will be of 5,000 units, which will be given 2 or 3 times a day. So what is the key point to note with respect to administering and monitoring of parenteral anticoagulant? Here, when we are administering the heparin or the low molecular weight heparin, you need to monitor the measurement or the value of APTT, that is activated partial thromboplastin time, and this has to be adjusted according to the patient body weight. So APTT, that is 2 or 3 times the normal mean of APTT value, are generally assumed to be therapeutic in nature, and this APTT should be measured initially according to the body weight of the individual, and you should set or adjust the infusion rate every 6 hours to prevent the adverse reactions. Thank you.